Today I have Harvey with me. He is super special. He is my niece's little boy, and he is full of it. Are you full of it? He's a good boy. You're a good boy, aren't you? Okay, so we are doing a number 2, and we are just going to come around about right here, and we're going to go straight around the head. Thanks, Harvey, for being a good guy. You're being awesome. Harvey, something about Harvey. He loves school. Don't you, bud? You are one smart cookie. Okay, look down for me, bud, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm just coming up here. Good job, Harvey. Now, if there's any, say the hair curls here or something, or it grows that way, you can always go the opposite way that it is. So if it's gonna curl this way, you're gonna come the opposite way. And then of course, we'll come back through with the trimmers and trim all of the area around his ears and his neck. We will trim all that off. He loves the feel of his hair when it's cut, don't you, buddy? Okay, so you can see that I've gone this area, coming down, taking the 2 around to there. And now what we're going to do is we are just going to spray him down. Woo, is that cold, bud? No? Oh, good, you like it, huh? Because you're tough. You are tough. Okay, so we are gonna start here in the middle, and we're gonna cut it down to almost finger length. His mom does want it, shorter just so it lasts. So we're gonna go a little bit shorter here, about finger length. And what that means is obviously just bring your fingers to the scalp, and then you take everything off, above the fingers. So you can see I'm coming to do the back. Okay. And that way, this is just an easy haircut to stay up on, especially for little kids going to school. Huh, Harvey? Can you tell him how much you love school? You're smart, huh? Of course he's gonna do that because I say he loves school. I told you he was full of it. Ah, little Mr. Harvey. Okay, so you can see I start in the middle, then I go off to the one side, and then I come off to the other side. So middle, and then off to one side, then off to the other side. I'm gonna hold all this in the front, I'm gonna hold it up, take that off. You love dinosaurs? He loves dinosaurs. Just so you know. Oh, it's so funny. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come and we're gonna come up this opposite way. Okay, turn your head this way. Okay, keep it right there. Good job, thank you. And we are cross-checking it, which means that when you cross-check, you cut one way and you check it the other way. So if you cut forward first, you are going to come to the side like this and double check going this way. So if you go forward, you're gonna come this way. Okay. And then after this, we're gonna hold or comb the hair down in the front. Then we're gonna come through on an angle, cut it on an angle. And then this right here, we're just gonna take tight with the clippers. So I don't need to worry about that. We're gonna have this kind of come up. Okay, now we are going to blend. So we're gonna take this front part. How you doing? Okay, here we go. We're going on the sides. But I love with the thumbs down, there's a huge smile. Okay, we're coming through the sides. I'm coming in and I'm holding the comb out. The closer you hold it to the head, the more hair you're going to take off. So if you need to come in and take more hair, that's fine. You can leave it closer to the head. If you're a little bit nervous, you can hold it back out away from the head and then just keep going and checking it and taking more at a time. Okay, and then the side, we're gonna come take some of this off. And if you're starting, you can go up this way, horizontal, or vertical, I mean. If you go vertical with little sections like this, it's a little bit easier to control at first. If you've been doing it for a little bit, then obviously horizontal like this takes more hair off at once. So it's a little bit faster, but if you're just starting, maybe you don't want to go horizontal, you want to go vertical like this and take up, you know, little sections up like this. Okay, we'll turn this way. I'm gonna take this close so that stays shorter longer, so the haircut will last longer in that front area. So one thing about Harvey, when he was born, they could actually, well, before he was born, they could actually see the hair in the ultrasound. This kid had so much hair when he was born. And I can't remember, he wasn't that old, and they literally would put like a man bun on top of his head. And he was just this tiny baby and he had this man bun. Hilarious. He had tons of hair. It's super thick. Okay. Then of course you're gonna just check, you know, from the front and the sides, make sure everything is blending well. And then one other thing that I love to do, I'm just getting ready to check that. Looking good, buddy. We are going to check the corners, which means I'm gonna take from this corner up to that, and I'm gonna take that length off. Because sometimes there's just a little corner when you go to blend. Sometimes, obviously after you blend, you're not gonna really notice this corner just because you just really don't notice it as much. But when it starts to grow out, you notice it more. So if I was you, I would check the corners as soon as you get done blending and just take those corners off, just because when it starts growing out, it looks a lot better. So like I said, the corner is from this hair down to this that we have already blended. Just take that little bit off. Okay, now what we're gonna do is take the little trimmers and we're gonna come by his ear right here. Just come straight across. Then go around his ear. Then around his ear this way. Okay, then we're gonna go have him look down. Good job, Harvey. And we'll just be really soft and come around here. Nice and soft. We are kind of rounding that corner. Good job, Harvey. Same thing here. Come around to this side. Again, we're gonna round this corner and come up. Okay, come up around the ear. Trim that up. Make sure his head's tilted straight. Take that hair off. And go around the ear. Very good, buddy. Okay, now, did you get any on your face? Should I tickle you? All right, now what we're gonna do is take a little bit of the Flexi styling gel. Just rub it in the hands and then rub it in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn him to the mirror so I can see. All right, buddy, you look awesome. Okay, there he is, Mr. Harvey. I'm gonna turn him around. Yay! You're awesome, Harvey. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed Harvey's video. Love his smile. Thank you. Have a good day.